Hello and welcome. We're going to talk about clipShape today. ClipShape is a SwiftUI modifier that clips a view into whatever shape you want. It just has to conform to the shape protocol. There are some built-in shapes like circle and rounded rectangle. We're going to take a look at those now. A common use case for a circle clip shape is for profile images, like this one. One thing to keep in mind is that you're probably going to want the scaled to fill modifier here. If you have scaled to fit for a rectangular image, you might not have the desired effect. The other built-in shape that's commonly used is a rounded rectangle. With a rounded rectangle, you'd provide a corner radius, and these are often used for things like cards. Finally, you can use your own shape that you define yourself, like a star shape. So if we define a star shape up here and use it down here in our clip shape modifier, we can see that our image becomes a star. Next, let's look at clip shape with something other than an image. Next, let's use the clip shape modifier on something other than an image. Here we have a Z-stack, has a background color and some text on top of it. The last modifier that you see is a clip shape, and we're using capsule. This can create pill-shaped buttons. Now let's look at modifiers that work well with clip shape. For example, an overlay. An overlay modifier is useful to create something like a border. Next, we can use something like a shadow. And finally, I just want to talk about when not to use clip shape. You might not want to use clip shape if you're going for something with transparency. Instead, you're going to want to use mask. For example, something like this, where you're trying to mask out some text. When you mask out text, there's inner transparency, and in those use cases, you're definitely going to want to use mask over a clip shape. I hope you learned something today, and I will see you next time.